Ever wondered why we're attracted to certain people and not others? What's the science behind this mysterious force? Attraction is a complex phenomenon, an intricate dance of psychology, biology, and a host of other factors that come together in mysterious ways. While we often think of it as a simple matter of liking someone's physical appearance, it's much more than that. It's about the threshold of appeal that changes with our relationship status, the control we have over our appearance, the emotional rapport we build, and even the frequency of our smiles. Beyond the surface, attraction is also shaped by our shared experiences, behaviors, and attitudes. It's influenced by the subtlest of things, like the scent of a person, the color they're wearing, or even the music playing in the background. Stay tuned as we delve into 15 fascinating psychological facts about attraction. Starting with fact number 1. Did you know that your threshold of attraction changes based on your relationship status? This fascinating phenomenon means that when we're single, we might have a broader range of what we find attractive. But when we're in a relationship, we tend to become more selective, focusing our attraction on qualities that align with our current partner. This shift in threshold is an intriguing example of how our circumstances influence our preferences in partners. Moving on to fact number 2. Did it ever cross your mind that some of the most attractive features are actually under your control? It's true. While some might think attraction is all about natural physical features, it goes beyond that. Our grooming habits and wardrobe choices play a significant role in how attractive others perceive us to be. For instance, a well-groomed beard can enhance a man's attractiveness, and a stylish, well-fitted outfit can do wonders for anyone's appeal. This fact underscores the importance of personal care and style in our overall attractiveness. Finally, let's delve into fact number 3. Building emotional rapport and chemistry is crucial for a successful relationship. It's not just about physical attraction. Emotional connection plays a vital role too. When we share feelings, experiences, and even vulnerabilities with someone, we create a deep emotional bond that enhances attraction. Studies show that couples who have a strong emotional rapport are more likely to have a lasting and satisfying relationship. This emotional connection can be built through shared experiences, open communication, and empathy. Isn't it fascinating how our preferences can be so fluid and are influenced by our circumstances? Keep in mind, attraction is a complex interplay of physical, emotional, and situational factors. So the next time you find yourself drawn to someone, remember, it's not just about the looks, but also the connection, the grooming, and even your current relationship status playing a part in the game of attraction. Moving on to our 4th fact, we often find ourselves drawn to those who share physical and style similarities with us. This principle is rooted in the idea of familiarity. The more we see something, the more comfortable we become with it. This comfort can then translate into attraction. For instance, research shows that we are more likely to be attracted to someone who resembles our parents or ourselves. It's not narcissism, it's nature. This is not to say that opposites don't attract. They do, but similarities provide a sense of comfort and understanding that can be very appealing. Our 5th fact dives into the world of smiles. Who knew that the simple act of smiling could be so powerful? A smile is a universal sign of happiness, and it's incredibly infectious. Studies have shown that people who smile frequently are perceived as more attractive. It's not just about the smile itself, but the positivity and joy that it represents. A genuine smile can light up a room and draw people in. So if you're looking to boost your attractiveness, try flashing those pearly whites a little more often. Finally, let's talk about grooming, specifically facial hair. For our 6th fact, we're looking at how well-maintained facial hair can enhance attractiveness. It's all about the effort you put into your appearance. Men who keep their facial hair neat and tidy are often seen as more attractive than those who let it grow wild. This doesn't mean you need to be clean-shaven. A well-groomed beard can be just as attractive. The key is to show that you care about your appearance and are willing to put in the effort to look your best. So next time you catch yourself smiling a lot around someone, you might just be trying to make yourself more attractive. Did you know that your scent can play a significant role in attraction? That's right. Our 7th fascinating fact about attraction is all about the power of smell. Research shows that certain scents can trigger a strong emotional response, and this can significantly influence our perception of attractiveness. For example, A study conducted by the Department of Psychology at the University of Southern Brittany found that men rated women as more attractive when they were exposed to pleasant scents. So a well-chosen perfume or cologne can be a real game changer when it comes to attraction. Now let's move on to our 8th fact. Bold and confident communication is attractive. This one might seem obvious, but there's actually a lot of science behind it. A study published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior found that individuals who communicate in a confident manner are perceived as more attractive. This includes maintaining eye contact, speaking in a clear and steady voice, and using open body language. So, if you're looking to boost your attractiveness, try working on your communication skills. And finally, our 9th fact. Media influences our perception of attractiveness. This one is a biggie. We've all been exposed to media portrayals of what's considered beautiful or handsome, and these images can shape our own perceptions of attractiveness. Various studies have found that exposure to media images can influence our standards of beauty, often leading us to favor certain physical features or body types. For instance, a study in the Journal of Experimental Social Psychology found that exposure to slender models led women to prefer thinner bodies. So it's crucial to remember that our perceptions of attractiveness aren't just formed in a vacuum. They're influenced by a wide range of factors, including our own senses, our communication skills, and the media we consume. It seems that media and society play a larger role in our perception of attractiveness than we might have thought. Entering into our 10th fact, there's something called an attractiveness bias in society. This phenomenon is quite intriguing. It's the notion that society tends to favor those who are deemed physically attractive, giving them an edge in various aspects of life, be it job interviews, social situations, or even courtrooms. Quite unfair, isn't it? But it's a subconscious process, deeply ingrained in our minds. It's as if our brains are wired to associate beauty with goodness. Now let's dive into the 11th fact, which revolves around the concept of attractive popularity. This idea suggests that the more attention one receives from others, the more attractive they appear. It's like a snowball effect. As people start noticing someone, they start talking, and soon this individual becomes the talk of the town, elevating their perceived attractiveness. You might have seen this in action, say in a celebrity crush where the adoration of millions makes the star shine even brighter in the eyes of the fans. And rounding off with our 12th fact, we come to an interesting physiological response. Did you know that our voices subtly change when we find someone attractive? Studies have shown that both men and women unconsciously alter their tone when speaking to someone they find appealing. Men's voices tend to lower in pitch, projecting a deeper, more masculine tone. Women, on the other hand, often raise their pitch to a higher, more feminine tone. This shift is subtle, but if you listen closely next time you're in conversation with someone you're attracted to, you might just notice it. Isn't it interesting how even our voice can betray our attraction to someone? As we approach the end, did you know that even the color you wear can affect how attractive you are to others? That's right. The color red is often associated with increased attractiveness. It's a bold color that exudes confidence and passion, making the wearer seem more appealing. Studies have shown that both men and women are more attracted to individuals wearing red. Moving on to the power of music. Melodies and rhythms can enhance romantic attraction and connections. Music has the ability to evoke powerful emotions, and shared musical experiences can create strong bonds between people. So the next time you're curating a playlist for a date, remember this fact. And finally, it turns out that familiarity doesn't always breed contempt. It can actually increase attraction. This is because repeated exposure to a person can lead to increased comfort and understanding, which in turn can enhance attraction. Remember, attraction is a complex process influenced by many factors. So the next time you feel an inexplicable pull towards someone, remember these psychological facts about attraction. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.